Are you ever curious about what nearly $900,000 would get you in downtown Cumming? This home is in the backyard of Alliance Academy for Innovation, right outside of downtown Cumming. That's ranked second out of 452 schools in Georgia and ranked 163 in the US across the board. This home's been freshly renovated before put on the market. New paint, newer roof, new flooring, fresh and ready for somebody to come in and snag it to call it home. This home's got its own apartment basically in the basement. For anybody looking to have the multi-generational living, this house is a great candidate. If you want to schedule a private tour or you're interested in the house, feel free to contact me with the information below.